Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really natural install with this V-part wig that I received from Beautyforever. I love this unit because it is a YAKI texture. This day was my first time installing, so I'm just going to break it down, showing you guys what I'm doing. So I basically sectioned off the top half of my hair, and these little sections that I'm sectioning off by my edges are just going to be my leave out areas. So I just have really tiny leave out because I don't really want to have to press my hair too much. And then I'm going to be creating an anchor braid around that V-part section that I have left out, because that is actually going to be pressed out and blending into the wig. So the anchor braids are so important. So this is the main one that you need to make sure is sturdy and going to be long lasting, because with V-part wigs you can just take them on, take them off, because they have sturdy clips, and it's just a reliable sorcery that's out there for us girls that's trying to basically look cute but not having to do so much to get that look. And obviously this is a protective style, so you know, you just get the best of both worlds. So I'm just creating another anchor braid surrounding that V-part section, and then we're going to work on actually doing the anchor braids where the combs are going to be attaching to, and these also have to be really sturdy and secure. So you just want to section off a good amount of hair for those sections. I like to make sure that the braid isn't too thick, but I don't want it too small, because obviously you're going to have to attach your clips and your combs to your anchor braids. So just be careful, because if you have too small of braids for this type of style, you can like rip and tear at your hair, and you don't want that, because once again, this is supposed to be a protective style.
Hey Sean, this your dad. I just wanted to let you know that we are so proud of you. You know, I'm your biggest fan, your biggest supporter. So just keep doing what you're doing and winning. And always remember, we got your back no matter what. We love you. Peace, blessings. We out.
Alright girlies, so we just took the hair out the pack and I popped it onto my head, and I was in love with it immediately. This hair was so soft, beautiful, and I didn't dye it, I didn't cut into it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like straight out the pack. So it does come with 4 clamps at the top and 3 combs on this unit, so the security is there, honey. I love the fact that it has these 4 clamps at the top, because it does have like teeth, like combs, and then you open them up and then you just press them down as soon as you get the placement correct on your anchor braids, with the help of these combs on the side, where you can just, you know, tuck them right underneath your anchor braids on the side. And you do have a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps towards the back half. I just decided to tuck the comb in the back underneath my baby bun that I created for myself to secure that comb back there. And now it's time for me to press this hair out, because I wanted a straight look. I wanted to see how well this hair blended in with my hair once I straightened it. I've had this hair for almost 2 months now, and I did go in and dye it jet black. One thing I haven't done to this unit yet is curl it. I know my vision that I want to do with this unit, and is actually doing some like flexi rods on the hair and then putting my hair in one of those roller sets. But watching this texture straighten is like you actually going to get your hair blown out. So I love that look. Alright, so time for the fun part. Even though that was so satisfying to me, even while editing this video, I'm going to be taking off my V-part section for my leave out, and I'm going to be pressing that out with my Baby Bliss tiny flat iron. I actually got these from Ulta if you guys are interested. So as you can see, my hair is a smidge darker than the unit, but I don't think it's that bad. I just, like I said, wanted to show you guys what this hair looks straight out the pack before I did any manipulation to the unit, but I think it blends in really nice besides the color, and I am so here for it, you guys. I pressed my edges out as good as I possibly could, and then of course we're going to add a little bit of my edge booster just to slick those bad boys down and give me a good old baby hair. I'm sure you guys are in love with the unit because I'm in love with the unit. And I can't express enough how low maintenance this unit is. I have been rocking this hair almost for on and off for 2 months. And when you're trying to just run outside, whether it's just going out to grab some food, fast food, either going to the grocery store, running errands, whatever the case may be, you may even want to go out with your homegirls, but you just don't want to do the most with your actual hair. Now, this is a go-to, a must-have in your stash because you really don't have to do anything other than have a really good foundation. I have seen women that don't even put the anchor braids, don't even have any leave out, and this V part is somehow attached to that head and it looks really natural. So I'm here for it. I will list all of Beautyforever information in the description box below. I'm gonna let you guys vibe out for the rest of the video and watch the final results come to life. I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. I'm gonna be uploading a vlog tomorrow, April 2nd, Saturday. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell because you don't want to miss it. I have some exciting stuff in there for you guys. So I love you, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
Yeah.